So I've been working around our house, steadily replacing the Euro locks on our PVC doors. And interestingly, taking these apart, I managed to get some locks for this back door, which turned out to be a Yale 3-star snap proof. But for some time now, the handles have been sort of crunchy, and I noticed that some of them have actually bulged out where they've been forced, trying to get them to work. And taking the handles off, turns out they've got a thing like this inside with these springs, and this fits over the square rod that fits through the lock and operates the catch. And I guess these actually fit inside this cast alloy handle arrangement. So it's supposed to fit over the square. And obviously the spring loading is supposed to act as the detent to hold the handle in place and give it some sort of spring between its different positions. But it's broken. There's this metal part here which looks to be some kind of zinc alloy or something. That's broken, and that's caused it to go all so crunchy and weird, and obviously has also been forced out and damaged the aluminium handle housing. So it's pretty rubbish, really. They all seem to be pretty the same. I've done 2 handles so far, 2 doors, 4 of these, 1 on each side, and they're all the same. They're all broken, so I'm not very impressed by that. So I've just taken them out and left them out for now. So this is all floppy, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, the handle isn't horizontal, but who cares? I guess I may try and find some replacements for these, but yeah, so not very impressive. This is one of these spring arrangements. If I can get it apart, it obviously slides in a groove here down the side, so this cross member is a separate piece. And so it's got these weird sort of die cast, not die, well, probably not die cast actually, some kind of zinc alloy, which I assume was in one piece at one time. Very stiff. Can I get these out, I wonder? Okay, so this moulding here has these 3 pins that this obviously slides along. So it's not clear how that's going to come out. Oops, there we go. Pieces of this metal part. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what that's made out of, but it obviously wasn't strong enough, whatever it is. Okay, so these springs, handle springs, turn out to be quite readily available on eBay, and they're only very cheap, £4 a pair or something like that. So I've got some more, and I've chosen to go for these ones which have a spring on either side. I don't know what the metal's made of this time, but hopefully it's more robust. It looks as if it might be, but who knows. I thought the double-sided one might be better because you've got both springs on either side trying to restore this cam to the center position rather than it just pushing from one side. Whether that's the case or not, I'm not really sure. But with my handles, I've got room for the spring to be either side. I guess in some cases the spring might need to be on all one side if there's no room above it. But anyway, so I can get away with these. So yeah, let's just stick them back in and see what happens. So that just fits on there. Handles back on. better. So yeah, if you've got crunchy door handles like I had and they don't return properly, then that seems to be the answer. Just replace the springs on the handles. Okay, thanks for watching.